In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to allow followers to see which spaces you're listening to on X, formerly Twitter. This is a simple privacy setting that can help your followers discover the live spaces you join, and it only takes a few clicks to turn on. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fast social media tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open X and go to the left navigation bar. Look for more and click it to open the full menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account privacy and safety controls in one place. Next, click Privacy and Safety. Once you're inside that section, find and click Spaces. This menu controls the privacy options related to Spaces activity on your account. Now you'll see the setting that says allow followers to see which spaces you're listening to. All you need to do is toggle that setting on. Once it's enabled, your followers will be able to see the spaces you're listening to on X, and that's it. You've successfully turned on the option to allow followers to see which spaces you're listening to. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step X and Twitter tips, and I'll see you in the next video.